the devotee must be clean inside and outside, both. Outside cleaning by taking bath, washing the body with oil or soap or soda, and inside materially there will be no unclean things, stool, unnecessary stool, that one must evacuate every morning and evening. If we eat more, then we have to evacuate twice. But if we eat less, then once evacuation is sufficient. It is said, Yogi, bhogi and rogi. Yogi means spiritually advanced, and bhogi means materialist, and rogi means diseased. It is a common saying. A yogi evacuates only once. That is yogi. And bhogi, because he eats more, so he evacuates twice. And one who evacuates more than twice, he is rogi, diseased. Yogi, bhogi, yogi. So everything has got a routine, saucam. So you will feel healthy. If you have evacuated nicely, you have washed inside and outside, taken your bath, then you will feel always refreshed. And unless you feel refreshed, you cannot very nicely chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra or serve Krishna. They have cleanliness is required. Apavitra pavitrava. But apavitra pavitrava sarvavasthanatva. If one takes to Krishna consciousness and follows the rules and regulations, then automatically he becomes clean inside and outside.